Well, good morning. I'm Jagendra Rana. The topic for our discussion today is employment opportunities in insurance sector. Employment opportunities in insurance sector. India is a country of a large proportion of persons being in employable age, adequate prospects for employment and a consistent earning help in sustenance and utilization of the potential of this workforce for national growth. The challenges at work and incentives on meeting them provide the environment for job satisfaction, obviating frequent change of job for better prospects. The financial sector provides ample opportunities of employment because of low levels of financial inclusion and a high potential for growth in the sector. Insurance within the financial sector plays a vibrant role in the economy, and there are a variety of risks in day-to-day life requiring insurance protection. In simple terms, insurance is a mechanism of sharing of losses of a few by many. Though the pooling mechanism exists in the society since ages in various forms. So the modern form of insurance can be traced to Europe, starting with marine expeditions in pursuit of businesses. Subsequently, the concept extended to development of life insurance and other forms of property insurance. By the end of the 19th century, health insurance emerged as a means of health care financing and is considered as a means of social security protection, both by employers and also by governments in various countries, including India. There is diversity of various classes of insurance business requires human resources of different levels of education, technical know-how and expertise. So after the advent of financial sector reforms in 1990, the insurance industry was opened for private participation and foreign equity in India in early 2000s. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is a statutory body formed in April 2000 under an Act of Parliament by Government of India to protect the interests of the policyholders and to regulate, promote and ensure orderly growth of the insurance industry in India. So at the time of opening up of the sector, there was only Life Insurance Corporation of India offering life insurance products. 4 subsidiary companies under the flagship of General Insurance Corporation of India were offering general insurance or non-life products, and ECGC was a specialized insurer. So after allowing private sector companies into the insurance sector, the industry has so far witnessed the entry of 23 new private companies in the life segment and 22 in the non-life segment, that has increased now. During this period, various insurance intermediaries with third-party administrators, corporate agents, brokers, micro-agents, micro-insurance agents, web aggregators, insurance repositories, etc. have been introduced into market for servicing the insurance sector. Now the sector has seen a high growth in the last decade, both in the life and non-life segment, and is poised for growth to reach the untapped segments because of low insurance inclusion. So as such, insurance industry is poised to provide secure employment and job satisfaction for a large number of individuals with varying levels of educational qualifications, knowledge and skill sets. Thus, it provides an ideal platform for employment of the education youth both in urban and rural areas. So various entities under the insurance sector which offer employment opportunities are indicated below, like insurers registered with IRDAI. So the number of insurers keep on increasing every year. Today, 25 in life and 33 in general insurance are there. Two specialized companies are there like ECGC and Agriculture Insurance Company. Similar is the case with the life insurance. So number of life insurance companies have increased to 24. Number of individual agents have crossed the figure of 2 lakh 21 lakh 88,500. Number of branches 11,032. Funds under management 19 lakh 57,000. This figure is old. This has been revised now. Number of offices more than doubled in the last 5 years. Number of direct employees in life insurance sector increased from 1,22,876 in 2001 to 2,44,522 in 2013 and 14. And after 10 years, this number must have gone over 3 lakhs. So the number of individual agents has increased to nearly 20 times the number of 2014. There were 609 corporate agents working for the life insurance industry. Life insurance industry recorded premium income of 3,14,283 during 13-14. So that figure is irrelevant now. This has nothing to do with current figures of financial year 24-25, which will show the current position. Similar is the case with the general insurance industry. The staff, the agent, and the offices have increased in multiple times. There is a national reinsurer that is called General Insurance Corporation of India, that is in short GICD. It's a wholly government of India owned company, has also flourished since being notified as the Indian reinsurer since 2000. So to offer its international clientele an easy accessibility, efficient service and tailor-made reinsurance solutions, GICD has opened liaison and representative or branch offices at a few places outside India. GICD provides treaty and facultative reinsurance business on risks emanating from the international market, also based on merits of the business. Other entities like Employees State Insurance Corporation, ESIC. Employees State Insurance is a multi-dimensional social security system tailored to provide socio-economic protection through cash benefits to worker population and their dependents covered under the scheme because of employment injury or occupational hazard. So ESIC is expanding its network, thereby providing employment opportunities. Then there is the Postal Department. It is engaged in postal life insurance and postal parcel insurance, offering scope for employing persons as agents. Then the state government insurance fund is there in various states like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Kerala. State governments have set up state insurance funds for insuring properties and goods of state governments. The state governments are also providing pension, provident fund and group insurance, etc. for secured living of their employees and members of public. Another one is Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, a wholly owned subsidiary of RBI established under the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation Act 1961. Is engaged in insurance of deposits of banks. It is neither regulated by IRDAI nor in competitive business with other insurers. This entity provides protection for banks' deposits up to rupees 1 lakh. held with commercial banks, including public sector as well as private banks, regional rural banks, cooperative banks, and branches of foreign branches functioning in India. As far as licensed distribution channels are concerned, there are many. Say, for example, bank assurance. The banking sector as the most important corporate insurance agency for distribution of insurance products. They are in tie-up with insurance companies for selling insurance using their own networks. So banks provide immense opportunities for employment. Banks have contributed to nearly 15.62% in life insurance new business. Recently, it has increased to much higher percentage. Corporate agents are engaged in the business of insurance distribution. These corporate agents work for both life and general. Their market share in PM was less than 10% earlier, but now it has increased. Motor dealers are also administering insurance policies, sale, claim intimation, and cashless settlement of claims at their and as corporate agents of insurers. Then insurance brokers. From 2002, broking companies are increasing in number and opening more offices and thereby employing more and more people to procure larger market share of insurance premium. There are 384 insurance brokers registered by IRDAI, and the market share of premium sourced through brokers went up to 22% in 2012 and 13. As far as individual agents are concerned, insurance agents have been working in the insurance sector for decades. So with licenses from IRDAI during the last 13 years, the number of agents in life insurance increased enormously to 21.88 lakhs in 2014. So obviously this has been almost doubled. So market share of premium in non-life brought by individual agents increased up to 35.3%, whereas in case of life insurance businesses it is nearly 78.40% of new business in case of life insurance business. The introduction of micro insurance regulations in 2005 under revision now, and it has been revised now, has brought in micro agents also into the insurance distribution scene. There are around 20,000 micro insurance agents servicing insurance sector. This number has also increased. Then RFP and VLE for rural areas. Common Service Centers under e-governance services India Limited has been granted license by IRDAI to market specific products through RFP, that is rural authorized persons, or VLE, that is village level entrepreneurs, to market insurance products. Under this system, there is a huge scope for employment to rural people. Then comes referral companies. The referral companies are not into direct distribution businesses. Referral companies offer their customer database to the insurance companies, and the insurance companies in turn solicit insurance from those customers using their marketing teams. Web aggregators compile and provide information about insurance policies of various companies on a website. So web aggregators are licensed to provide information pertaining to insurance products, comparison of similar products offered by different insurers, and have linkages to websites of various insurance companies from where customers can select and purchase policies online. For the web aggregators to whom licenses have been granted till dates are plenty. This number has increased now. List of insurance repositories is also there. Insurance repositories have been introduced to hold insurance policies in electronic form. They handle insurance accounts of policyholders electronically all over India. These are Messrs. NSDL Database Management Limited of Mumbai, Messrs. Central Insurance Repository Limited of Mumbai, Messrs. SHCIL Projects Limited of Mumbai, Messrs. Karvi Insurance Repository Limited of Hyderabad, Messrs. CMS Repository Services Limited of Chennai. Then comes third-party administrators, TPAs. The third-party administrators opened up offices in 2001 as intermediaries for the provisions of health services to insurance companies. There are 30 such TPAs, that number has increased now, working all over India, providing identity cards for availing cashless facility, direct settlement of hospitalization bills, of networked official hospitals, and scrutiny and reimbursement of claims relating to treatment at non-networked hospitals. As far as consultants are concerned, specialists in respective areas are appointed as consultants for managing the following, like investment, advertisements, infrastructure, IT solutions, risk management, insurance, actuarial consultants, call centers, like Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, with its head office at Hyderabad, has opened its regional office at New Delhi and is in the process of opening offices at Mumbai. So, with the expansion of insurance sector, it needs persons with technical expertise in various aspects of insurance. Then there are self-regulatory bodies or professional organizations like Life and General Insurance Councils, Indian Institute of Insurance Surveyors and Loss Assessors, Institute of Actuaries of India, Insurance Brokers Association of India, Insurance Information Bureau, Agents Training Institutes to train prospective agents for licenses and for renewal of licenses are now 1611 all over India for offline classroom training. Accredited institutes for training of brokers for fresh license and renewals. Training centers for training fresh recruits and for conducting management development training programs and mandatory pre-promotional training programs. So for this purpose, PSUs have corporate training institutes, zonal and regional training centers. These employ academicians, subject matter specialists, and persons in support services like maintenance of hospital, examiners for assessing insurance examinations, because Insurance Institute of India, formed in 1955 to promote the education and training in insurance and for advanced education in insurance. So one can go for the international certification in life and general insurance. There is a provision for insurance agents examination under digital certification. There are many other professional examinations like licensure level, associate level, fellowship, specialized diploma, certificate, etc. Then claim handling agencies are there, investigators, legal offices, grievance handling, other specialized agencies. Professionals associated with insurance industry are actuaries, chartered accountants, and finance professionals, risk managers, legal professionals, capital market professionals, human resource experts, marketing and advertising specialists, compliance officials and company secretaries, then IT professionals, underwriters, medical professionals. So spread of insurance offices is there here across the country. Outsourcing of various businesses is also there. Back office personnel requirement is always there. And industry overview always needs the people across the country in the insurance sector. Thank you very much.